Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and run Bandicam Pro Crack for free. Bandicam is a lightweight screen recorder software for Windows that can capture anything on your PC screen as a high-quality video. This app also makes it possible to record a certain area on a PC screen. This version of the crack is working properly. The subscription remains forever, so you can safely download this crack. Step 1. First we need to click on the link under the video and download the file. While I am installing the program, you can like and subscribe to the channel. Before downloading the file, you need to turn off the antivirus. This needs to be done because the program is written in Python. Step 2. Next we need to unpack the file and enter the password for the archive. This password is also found below the video in the description. Step 3. Next we simply install a program on the desktop and run it. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. All bye.